Hello and welcome to Food Kitchen. Today I'll be preparing a bone-in beef soup filled with delicious and healthy goodies. I will start off by putting my beef in a pressure cooker with some clove for 15 minutes. After it is done, I will transfer the cooked beef in another pot and begin to add my ingredients. My ingredients include onion, carrot, pumpkin, sweet potato, Irish potato, celery, bell pepper, garlic, green onion. Then I'm going to add some dumplings last. These dumplings are made with flour, corn flour, salt, sugar, and I will knead it together. In this video I did not show, but in my next video I will show you how to prepare dumplings. This kneaded dough is then rolled into a big dumpling, and then I cut them into small pieces before placing them into the pot with all the other ingredients. Seasonings of your choice is welcomed, but I am adding some curry, lemon pepper, along with some salt to taste. Please allow everything to boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your soup is ready. Delicious and hearty. Please let me know in the comments, how do you prepare your soup? Is it different than from mine? Please let me know in the description.